I'm good, but nervous. Dear Anna, there's so many things I want to say, but can't even find the words. There isn't another one on the earth who I love more. I couldn't have asked God for a better woman.
When Hannah was born, it was one of the greatest days of my life. I always said that I wanted all boys, and then when I saw her, I knew God had something special for me.
Daddy got you. Daddy got you, never letting you go.
And she's been unbelievable. I want her to know that, and I'm going to say this later today, but you know, her name changes from Hannah Swider to Hannah Schindeldecker, but to me, she'll always be my wolf bull.
Hey, Dad.
You're still going up.
This was a unique bill to fill when you're somebody's best friend and their dad. When we bought the farmhouse, this is when I started seeing the man come out of me. The guy was by my side. That's what a best friend does, right? He was all in. He was sold out for the car. So Hannah, that's what you're getting, all in. This is the kind of guy he is. I don't have to tell you this, but there's no turning back. There's no such thing as bailing out, cutting it short, in it to win. He was all in.
River, I promise to not only love you with all that I have on the best days and the worst days, but also on all the average days that fall in between.
I vow all that I have to give. All I have is yours, and yours alone.
River and Hannah have prayed and waited all their lives for this day. Both sets of parents have prayed for this day since before these two were even born. Today we rejoice because you have answered and brought them together.
You don't need to hesitate. No, it's not too late, and I wouldn't go without you. I give you love, you wanted nothing. It's chemical, hold on to something. We've got enough, so either way you don't need to hesitate.